Welcome to the ultimate guide for using the Scheduley app as a company account user. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large team, Scheduley is here to simplify your appointments, team coordination, and advertising efforts. Let's dive into all the ways you can make the most of Scheduley. Home screen overview. When you log in, you'll land on the home screen. Here's what you'll see. 1. Company logo or profile picture. Tap your logo to open settings, where you can update your company info and manage ad banners. When you're done, hit back to return to the main screen. 2. Flag icon. Choose your country from a drop-down list to see ads specific to that location. 3. Search icon. Quickly find groups or contacts so you can connect in seconds. 4. Chat icon. Start a chat instantly, whether it's with a group, individual contacts, or designers for new ad banners. 5. Banner ads. Clicking a banner takes you to the related company profile. Scroll through for options like support to get help or show all to explore more ads. 6. Calendar. Date selection. Select a specific date for scheduling appointments or scroll through upcoming days. 7. Time slot bar. Choose an available time slot to set up an appointment. Yellow slots mean they're already booked. Managing appointments. Scheduley makes appointment management simple. 1. My time. Block out private time on your calendar so no one can book during those hours. 2. My contacts. Request appointments with specific contacts for one-on-one meetings. 3. My groups. Set up group appointments with any groups you're part of. 4. Upcoming. View all upcoming appointments in a convenient list. 5. New requests. Check and respond to new appointment requests or group invitations. Categories for services and companies. Scheduley offers a broad selection of companies and services worldwide. 1. Filter by country. Refine your search by country to find local businesses and services. 2. Filter by commercial tower. Search by commercial tower, then narrow results by state, city, floor, and company names. 3. Categories and subcategories. Browse by category to find specialized companies with a count of available businesses in each. 4. More ads. Filter ad banners by country, category, or subcategory. Clicking any ads banner takes you directly to that company's profile. Adding key elements. Scheduley also lets you add essential items for easier management. 1. Groups. Create groups and invite others to join. 2. Reminders. Set reminders for tasks like renewing documents, scheduling maintenance, or paying bills. 3. Contacts. Invite phone contacts who aren't yet on Scheduley to expand your network. Keeping track of your schedule. The schedule section records all your appointments, so you can easily reference past meetings. Profile management and more features. The profile section gives you full control over your account. 1. Calendar access. Decide who can view your available times for scheduling. 2. Travel time settings. They set travel times to avoid overlapping bookings. 3. Company reviews. See customer feedback left on your company profile. 4. Discount points system. Earn points for discounts on services within the app. For more help, check out our video tutorials on the Scheduley's YouTube channel or follow us on social media for updates and tips. Get started with Scheduley. That's a wrap on our comprehensive guide for company account users on Scheduley. Start exploring these tools to streamline your business and level up your scheduling. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for the latest tips and updates. Ready to transform how you schedule? Try Scheduley today.